How to redeem free Whataburger. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem your free Whataburger. First of all, you want to open up Play Store or App Store on your device. Then you want to search for Whataburger to have this application installed on your device. Once it has been installed, open it. Now tap on the sign in option. Here, you want to enter your email address. Then enter your password. Once that is done, tap on the sign in option. You can also sign in using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. If you do not have an account, tap on create account option. Then fill up the information such as your first name, last name, phone number, zip code, email, then create a password. Enter the password again for confirmation. Enter any referral code that you have, then tap on the create account option. Once you have been logged into the account, you want to enroll in the rewards program. Whataburger will add a free burger to your rewards, which you can claim within a week of it appearing. You can also accumulate the rewards using the app to order online, customize your order, save your favorite meals, and deposit money into your account. You can also visit participating Whataburger locations to earn more points. After 5 visits, redeem your points for free food. To redeem your points, you can simply click on the Redeem Now option, select All Rewards to see the list of your rewards, scroll down the list and choose an item, click on it and tap Redeem Now, select Order on the next page, choose whether you want to pick up your order or have it delivered. You can also decide to scan a barcode at the participating restaurant. Then you can either wait or pick up your order. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.